In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PPT from Genspark AI Mobile. Start by opening the Genspark AI Mobile app on your device. Once you're inside the app, the first thing to check is whether you already have a slide presentation generated and ready to export. If you haven't created one yet, tap on AI Slide and make your slide deck first. This is important because the export option will only be available after your slides have been generated. If your slides are already created, go ahead and tap the two-line menu icon to open your history. This is where you'll find your previously generated presentations. Browse through the list, locate the slide deck you want to download, and tap on it to open it. After opening the presentation, give it a moment to fully load. This step matters because if the file hasn't finished loading, some options may not appear correctly or the export may not work smoothly. Once everything is visible and ready, tap the three-dot menu at the top of the screen. From that menu, select Export. You'll then be asked to choose the file format. To download your presentation as a PowerPoint file, choose PPTX. This is the format that works well if you want to open or edit the file later in PowerPoint or similar presentation software. At this point, you may also see the option to select a page range. You can keep it set to all pages if you want the full presentation, or choose a custom range if you only need specific slides. This can be useful if you want to share only part of the deck or save a shorter version. Once you've made your selection, tap Export to begin downloading the PPT file. After that, your presentation should be saved or prepared for sharing, depending on your device settings. And that's how to download a PPT from Genspark AI Mobile.